Hello and good day to yet another review on the Acer channel. Today we'll be looking at something slightly different. It is part of the range of products that we do, and it is part of our accessories. An essential part of a mobile installation into a vehicle like a 24-volt vehicle, maybe a truck or a earth-moving equipment piece type vehicle. Of course, is your converter. The converter will bring the voltage down from 24 volt to 12 volt. So the input voltage is 24, the output voltage is 12. This is a linear device, and it is capable of roughly about 20 amps. In the box, we have a screw set, and you will see that it is a fairly big piece of equipment, for the simple reason that you have to have ample space to get rid of the heat that you generate while reducing the voltage. It needs to burn off the additional power, and it converts it into heat, so as to get a clean DC output voltage. The problem with switch mode products are that they induce additional noise, and that could affect the performance of the two-way radio, i.e. your reception would be bad. Sometimes it induces little spikes on the transmission wave, which causes problems on the receiving end again. So this is a effective, low-cost, clean method to get clean power to a transmitter or a receiver. It has been used for decades, and thus being very clean, the output voltage being very clean, as it is not switched fast. It is a fairly simple piece of equipment. You just have your 4 mounting holes, you have your 2 input wires. I think the maximum voltage of this device will be about 30 volts, 35 if I'm not mistaken, and it is protected with a fuse there, so you don't have to have this the correct way around. You can have DC that way or the other way around, yet the output is constant with a definite positive and a definite negative. Okay, I think it is regulated down to about 13.5, 13.2 volts. So it is not too high, but it is fairly stable. So even if your input voltage varies a little bit, your output voltage will be very stable. This is often referred to in the industry as the gold one, as this seems to have become the standard in the beginning with converters. There are some other smaller ones. The 203, Pow201 is a smaller one. This is the original one, which of course is the Pow201, which will dissipate a lot of energy into the heatsink. The smaller ones are available, but they do become very, very hot depending on the amount of power that you draw. A while back we had a requirement for a larger piece of equipment that could do more than the normal 15 to 20 amps, and we developed our own product based on that. And you will see it is basically 2 of these that we've sandwiched together. This is a product that we have developed. We manufactured it on site here, so you will be able to do the same thing, but with double the amount of output power. We have also fitted nice connectors on here, so if you do find that that one suffers too much of a heat that it needs to dissipate, because maybe you driving a 45 watt radio instead of a 25 watt radio, this is the way to go. We have input wires with a fuse protecting it on the side, but with normal banana sockets on the output, as we thought the design will be of such that you can add your own length of wire. No need to solder or make additional connections. So there you go. This is basically a 30 amp one. 35 amp, and then this is the smaller one which will do about 15 amp. So there are the two products available from us. There is I'm not sure what the part number is on that one, but this is the 201, there is the 203 which is slightly smaller, and this is a 30 watt one. So this, I would say, is a 15 amp device, this is a 30 amp device, and there are smaller ones, they are only 10 amp or 8 amp devices. Thanks for watching the review. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you can see when there are new equipment that are being reviewed. These are purely out of the box reviews to show you what you get and maybe comparisons. If you have any suggestions on things you would like me to do, maybe comparisons between certain products, I will be happy to do so. Drop me a line or just put it in the suggestions box. But I do want to suggest that you like and subscribe for all the upcoming videos that we have. Feel free to share it with friends or associates so that you can see what is available in the market, number one, but see what you get inside the box. On the radio equipment, it is very important to know what type of socket you need, or what the battery charging pins are, or do you need to make an adapter for a base station, or an adapter for a car charger for a portable, for instance. So if you have any suggestions, drop me a line and we can certainly have a look at it. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and keep watching this channel. There will be prizes that will be given away for new subscribers. So yes, I will keep everybody updated that has subscribed with competition details that come up from time to time.